Okay, guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be what's poppin'? I got a new intro, but so we're gonna be looking on. I'll choose this then. We're gonna be looking for the butter, like editor. Do something while I'm thinking what it's called. Oh, guys, yeah. It's like the wax that dries and makes crunchy. All right. Crunchy wax. Ooh. Okay. Come on. Cracking slime. Okay. Crunch melts. Or crackling sounds. Okay, and then we're gonna look at this first one. What's on YouTube? Okay.
Renew Wellness is actually a private equity holding company.
I don't care.
Lock in speed, lock in price, lock in gig. Mediacom fiber power.
Making gig on a. That's not even wax. It's just in a balloon. Okay. Hold on, let me go back. No. Good. Wax ASMR. And what? Where's the short one? Ooh. Glitter wax. In our next video, I think I may be trying a little bit of these. Okay. We'll watch this one a little bit. Oh my god, it's so freaking satisfying. Crunch it. Oh. Oh, it's slime? Alright, let's skip a little. Let's skip to the end. By the way, you can go on this, guys. It's more satisfying, crunchy, wax slime cracking. 4K, no talking. Crack it, you dumbass. Oh my god. Why am I doing? What the hell are these nails? What the hell are those nails? I'm looking at this. My viewers decide my fate in the back rooms. I gotta get out of that. Oh, what you thought that? More videos. Make it invisible. Guys, we're supposed to be doing some scooter driving. I'm supposed to get a headshot for my scooter, so we're gonna do scooter driving with the GoPro. I see you back there, Mrs. House. We don't wanna. Bro, that looks like freaking shit. Oh, shit things. Guys, I want to bring this saying back, but everyone comment oh shittings. It's oh shittings. Guys, bring back the quote, or the line, the saying, oh shittings back. Okay, we don't care.
Oh my god, what have I found?
Guys,
This just popped up. 7
Scientists may have just found the
1,000 people.
bye guys.